In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your PDF to a PPT completely for free and by using Canva. Now Canva makes this super easy to do with their converter just here. All we have to do is upload our PDF. We can also edit it, and then when we go to download, we can download as a PPT. Now if you want to check this out, I will link this down in the description below. So let's go ahead, let's take this PDF which I have just here, we're going to drag it onto the page. Canva's going to do its thing, just like this, and create a brand new project, just like so. Now up here we can rename the project as well, but all we have to do is come up to here, where it says Microsoft PowerPoint. If we click on there, we can make sure all pages are enabled, like so, or just choose the page that we want to download as a PPT. Then all we have to do is click download, and now we have our PPT file converted from our PDF, and again completely for free just by using Canva. Now again, if you do want to check this out, I will link this down in the description below. And if you want to watch more of my Canva bite-sized tutorials, then click right here and watch this playlist.